बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 11th का फिजिकल एजुकेशन का, वो है द प्रिंसिपल्स एंड प्रिवेंशन ऑफ सपोर्ट्स इन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोसीजर्स एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स वी शुड फॉलो in order to avoid this complete supports injuries. In games and supports, the 100% prevention is not possible. But we can minimize the supports injuries by following the principles and the preventive methods of games and supports. The principles and preventive methods for games and supports minimize the chances of injury. There are different principles, but few among them I write down here. Number first, principle of maintaining stability and prevention of fall. The common cause for the supports injuries are the maximum supports injuries happen when we did not maintain the stability of our body, and many times we fall when we try to hit the ball, when we try to push the ball. We did not maintain, either we did not maintain himself the proper balance of the body, or we did not maintain ourselves the center of gravity. These are the causes that may struck us on the ground. These are the causes by which we can fall on the ground. The principle to maintain the principle of stability and prevention of fall is the main cause for different supports injuries. So we have to maintain the stability by widening the base of our support, by keeping the center of gravity low and should be within the base of support. We should keep center of gravity low. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा support center of gravity. We should wide our legs. When we play, we should wide our legs, by which we can make our center of gravity low. There are mere chances, there are less chances उसे क्या हो जाएगा, to fall on the ground. We should follow this technique of fall. In case of instability, we should move very fast to lower the center of gravity in order to make much more supportive, in order to avoid the fall on the ground. Falling, गिर जाना ground पे is a very common and one of the major cause for the supports injury. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें ये क्या, we have to maintain the stability by widening the base of support. किसी चीज की बेस को वाइड करना है, अपनी बेस को वाइड करना है, इसे क्या, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी लो रहेगा, उससे कम चांसेस होता है कि हम ग्राउंड में गिर सकते हैं. नंबर 2 इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग द रेंज ऑफ मोशन. रेंज ऑफ मोशन, वी मस्ट नो द लिमिट्स. रेंज ऑफ मोशन मीन व्हाट इज द रेंज, सिंपली द लिमिट. हमें वी शुड नो the perfection, we should know the motion, we should know the limits, we should know the extent, we should know how much limit and what type of joint is limited to what extent. किस joint को हम कहाँ तक ले जा सकते हैं, and what kind of motion we can develop in the different joints. कौन से joint में कौन सी motion develop करनी है, और how we can know how we can perform them. Simply, we must know the limits of our joints and actions, and we must be performed them according to the range of joints. जितना जिस joint का range होगा, अगर हम उसे ज़्यादा करने की कोशिश करेंगे, it will cause an injury, and it may tear, it may sprain, it may strain. These may be the injuries. Number 3, principle of catching or reception of impact. For example, reception and catching. Reception means to receive something. Reception या catching का क्या मतलब होता है? An activity when we perform. जब हम कोई एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करते हैं इन विच वी यूज द कोऑर्डिनेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन ए क्रिकेट बॉल व्हेन वी ट्राई टू कैच अ बॉल, जब हम बॉल कैच करने की कोशिश करते हैं इसमें क्या हो जाता है, इट्स अ रिसेप्शन. और हैंड्स हैव टू रिसीव द बॉल, हमें अपने हाथों में बॉल लेनी है. बट देयर आर कॉन्स्टेंट सिग्नल्स फ्रॉम आवर माइंड, हमें कॉन्स्टेंट सिग्नल्स आते हैं कि बॉल कहाँ पहुंची, अब हमें क्या करना है, अपने हाथ को बंद करना है या खुले रखना है, आगे ले जाना है, पीछे ले जाना है. वी हैव टू कंसिडर इट, हम तो इसमें कंसिडर करते रहते हैं. बट वी रिसीव द कॉन्स्टेंट सिग्नल. द सिग्नल्स एंड द मसल्स शुड कोऑर्डिनेट. एक तो मसल्स, दूसरा क्या होता है सिग्नल. इन सब का कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए. इफ वी डिड नॉट मेक द प्रॉपर कोऑर्डिनेशन, न्यूरोमस्कुलर कोऑर्डिनेशन, then it will struck somewhere else and it may injure us. We have to coordinate in a proper way. We have to use the protective equipment. We have to coordinate that. Number 4, that's principle of lifting weight. Sometimes some people try to lift heavy weights. In case अगर हम देखेंगे lifting weight, it should be lifted whatever we have to require, whatever we can lift. जितना हम लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, we should lift it close to our body, according to our strength, according to our muscle capacity. We should lift, but we should lift it close to our body, not away from our body. That may, if we will lift the weight and it will be away from our body, then there will be the chances of instability. Then there will be the less chances. Then where will be the chances? Instability will make some kind of injury. Instability से injury हो सकती है. We may fall, we may something. हम गिर भी सकते हैं. It may be. So whenever we lift, it must be close to our body. Number 6, principle of weight bearing joints. Weight bearing joints means जो weight हम उठाते हैं, when we lift the weight, our body must have tendency. हमारी बॉडी में इतनी बेयरिंग शक्ति होनी चाहिए, इतना ताकत होना चाहिए कि we must bear the load of that. अगर हम प्रॉपरली उसका लोड बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते then it can cause injury. If we bear properly the load, अगर हम बर्दाश्त लोड बराबर कर सकते हैं, then it will increase the strength. Weak joint should be well protected and it should lift according to its strength, according to its capacity. Number 6, that is the principle of circular motion. Circular motion means like swimming, like swimming में या like जिसको बोलते हैं ये हेप्थालोन टेक्थालोन में होते हैं वो एक्टिविटीज, उनमें भी स्विंग्स आते हैं. या when we try to swing our body over the high jump post, उसे क्या हो जाता है, जो स्विमिंग में होता है it needs the circular motion, जैसे स्विमिंग में. And this circular motion needs much more swiftness, much more sufficient strength. Players with joint problems, with bone problems, must not perform the circular motion or fast swimming action that may cause injuries to them. Thank you.